Hello guys, today we are going to assemble a bedside table. बॉक्सिंग की एक वीडियो डाल रही हूँ. सो इसका जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है वो यहाँ पे लेआउट दिया हुआ है and they have numbered each and every plank of the engineered wood. They have given lot of screws and bolts and nuts. So we don't know, we have no idea regarding how we are going to assemble the whole bedside table, but we'll try our level best. This is a bedside table which has a small storage, but it doesn't have drawer. It comes with some space to keep some important utensils, and it comes in pieces like this. There are totally 7 pieces. We have identified the holes and the screws where we need to fit in, and according to the left and the right order of the planks, we need to assemble them. It's very simple. We just need to give a small push to it and it goes inside. These screws, bolts and nuts are all provided by the company. It comes along with the package. These are the extra support for the down. We need to tie the screw and fit the screw. There is a bolt and the nut to give a sturdy grip to it, and hence almost our shelf is ready. Only one last back side plank is left to be fitted, and now it's done.